Okay, so after you've chopped everything and you have everything kind of ready to go, you're gonna put 4 mugs of water into a large pot. So we're just adding in the water, and we have everything ready to go. The cut up chicken breast and the chicken legs. So this is four chicken legs and 1 large chicken breast cut up into pieces. And then that amount of cilantro is cut up, and 1 potato. And this is actually 1.5 tomatoes.
There should be 2.
1.5 tomatoes should be fine. And so you're gonna add the chicken in right now?
Yeah, I'm going to eat the chicken and I'll start
it on the stove? Okay. So do you cook it on high?
Yeah, you can cook it on high, and we will also at this time put the salt.
Okay. So how much salt are you gonna put at first? Because the recipe says
To taste. I think for this much, we should have at least 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
To begin with.
So 2 teaspoons.
And if you put the salt very late, then it won't sink into the meat, and it will taste blah. So it depends on what your.
Okay. So we'll start with 2 teaspoons of salt,
and
then that's aadu lasan.
And we said how many?
Aadu lasan was gonna be 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons.
Okay, so we will start with 2.
Okay.
It depends on how much you like. We'll do the 3. I think
And especially when you're not feeling well, you might want it to be, the additional aadu lasan will help you.
Yeah,
It'll help
it's
your
good for you
sinuses,
anyways,
and it's
yeah.
good for you. And it'll just taste more flavorful.
So we are doing 3.
So 3 tablespoons of aadu lasan. We've put the salt in, and then you're gonna put
We'll start.
pepper. Are you gonna put pepper too?
Yeah.
Okay, so we said 1 teaspoon of pepper, of whole peppercorn.
Or you can have crushed ones too. It's fine.
Not ground, but do you need a teaspoon? Or do you want to use it? Or does it matter? Okay. Oh, you wanted to see how much first? Like in your hand? Yeah, so it's a teaspoon of whole black peppers. So now we're just gonna let it come to a boil.
We'll let it boil for a while, then we will put the potatoes.
Yeah, okay. So let it come to a boil, and then we'll add in the potatoes, because the chicken takes longer to cook, and then also the potatoes take a little bit longer. And tomatoes you put in near the end, right?
We can put tomatoes too, because it doesn't matter tomatoes, but if you were to put the veggies, then I would
Put it at the end. Okay. So, but right now you're not going to put the tomatoes yet. You'll wait for this to come to a boil. Okay.
Or if you don't have time, you can just